Hey there, Dr. Rob, the car doctor here with the car doctor shop in Hillsboro, Oregon. Man, we've had a weird ice snow storm lately, but you know, you do what you got to do. So making some awesome progress. My technician has been helping me with the pegboards. The pegboards are up finally. Oh man. It was driving me crazy having all my equipment on the ground. So we got the pegboards up. He did a great job. I'm going to be bringing in another shelf tomorrow for the other breakout box OBD-1 stuff. So really cool to finally have my test equipment up on the pegboard. So much more organized. Got some really cool stuff, man. I got old carburetor stuff there, to the newest smoke machines, some Thexton stuff, can breakout boxes. So OBD-1 Kenobi is my nickname because I work in the 80s and 90s, and also the new stuff. So cool Ford speed control motor there. That funny thing called the timing light right there as well. Got a cool setup for actually injecting air into the exhaust to check for leaks on that. So CAN bus communications there as well. Some cool Mercedes-Benz stuff. Again, all my goodies down there. Oh yeah, East E-Bob from, gosh, what were those guys called? Automotive Test Solutions, ATS. Guys are awesome as well. So a little tired, so bear with me, but just like to keep you guys updated. So this is really cool. This is my 1990 Ford F250, making great progress. The customer replaced $2,000 worth of parts. And guess what? As Oscar would say, scopes are the key. That is the ignition diagnostic monitor, basically the computer monitoring the coil negative side. So that ain't right. That's what that is, P00, that ain't right. So there's all my test stuff right there. So really happy to have that all done. So that's it, man. Just a quick behind the scenes tour, making progress on the 1990 Intermittent Misfire. That would explain it. Now we just have to find out what's going on. So, all right, guys and gals, that's it for the car doctor shop behind the scenes tour. Making great progress. All right, everybody. Take care, man. Oh yeah. Also, cool thing, thank you to Scanner Danner. He's got a customer that watched my video, that's one of his fans, and he is driving 6 hours to come see my shop because he saw my video on this one. He's got a 92 Ford F250. So thank you, Scanner Danner, for putting me on your site and promoting me as a Scanner Danner client. So there you go, man. The power of YouTube, networking, and working your ass off. So all right, everybody, take care. Dr. Rob, the car doctor shop in Hillsboro, Oregon. OBD-1 Kenobi, over and out.